Today is Tuesday, December 17th, and this is another update on my progress beating the S&P 500 along with Bill Ackman's Pershing holdings. I do make these videos every Tuesday and Sunday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Since my last update, I decided not to make any changes at all to my portfolio. I was going to be looking to trim some of my larger positions if the market saw a spike up, and the markets also haven't dropped enough to justify buying back into those positions. This is what the SPY chart's going to look like right now. The price closed today below the 5-day, but still above the 15. Today was the first day that the SPY price closed below this green trend line, going all the way back to November 27th. If we switch over to the candle view, you'll see that this one represents today. So this line is going to represent where the SPY price closed at today. How low the vertical line goes shows what the lowest trading point of the day was. So we can actually see that during the trading session today, the SPY price bounced off of the 15-day moving average, which for the short term is going to be a bullish signal, which is also why I decided not to trim any of those positions again. Jerome Powell does give his Fed speech tomorrow, which is going to be his last one for 2024. Hopefully the market likes what he says and we can get back above this green trend line. If the market does go the other way and I think it's unjustified, there is a possibility that I look to add to those positions that I had trimmed earlier, with the hopes that after a couple days the markets would rebound. These are going to be all 11 of my current positions. Right now my top 5 are Amazon, Meta, Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia, and those make up 49.08% of my portfolio. Amazon, which is my biggest position, is catching up to PayPal as far as total gains. Right now it has a gain of 20.52%, and PayPal has fallen a little bit, but it's still at 24.05. Right now I have 79.72% invested, which means I have 20.28 sitting in cash. Like I said earlier, if the markets do take a dip and I think that it's unjustified, I'll be looking to add to some of my bigger winners, such as PayPal and Amazon. Since Monday, my portfolio had a gain of 0.33%, the S&P 500 had a loss of 0.01%, and Pershing had a loss of 1.43%, which brings us year to date. My portfolio has a gain of 37.81%, the S&P 500 is at a gain of 27.57%, and Pershing Holdings is at a gain of 8.86%. That's going to do it for today. I do make these videos every Tuesday and Sunday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on Sunday.